Up our washer. This is for the new tip like we said we were going to make, because that old tip
is not very good.
Yeah, it's not very good at all. So this is the washer. It's bigger than 3 inches, but that's all they had. And you know, rednecks aren't always accurate, so we're going to make some modifications afterwards. Alright, now we got the hand drill stuff all done. The use of the hand drill. Feel that metal bit every little rev up. So, update you when we weld the bolts on. Alright. So Trevor does all 4. Hey, you know what? We don't want to do the outside because that'll make a lump, you know what I mean?
Yeah. There I did, but whatever.
Oh. Not smart. Bad move by Trevor.
Hey.
Okay, I thought I was supposed to do some.
Yeah, wait a minute. Okay, whatever. I'll do one full one. Yeah? No?
I'm doing another one.
What?
One full one and one full bolt.
Are we going to tack them or do one full bolt?
Just, here, let me show you. There it is, there's a difference. Tip's just a bit smaller.
Trevor, if you're going to go to Jack's after church,
yeah.
you need to cut that lawn of yours sometime.
And it's just got a little lip around it, but that's just going to be grinded off.
We don't need to grind it off right now.
Are we cool? All the time. Just brushing it up for the weld. I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, this is a homemade exhaust. You know, I think we're going to redo the back part next. That's so bad. That was so redneck. Okay. All this, like, this was made out of a square, this circle part. That's embarrassing. Alright. Let's throw my helmet on. And we're going to weld this thing. Alright.
Yeah, good.
How'd it go?
I don't know, it didn't really weld to the bolt much.
Sorry, I'm pushing. Close. That's pretty good though. Alright.
No, it didn't.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You recording, buddy?
I am recording, buddy.
Alright. Fail.
Fail, no clamp. Fail. Just put it here. Stick it in there. It was on here before.
Was it?
Yeah, here.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, we're doing a triple comparison video. Now it's just open like that. Again. Alrighty then, Trev. Didn't even give her a rev. Loser right there. Just open like that. Those, if you're wondering what those four holes are for, those are for the screw or the bolts that we go in for our tip. Okay, now it's just. So I was gonna go pick up the phone. Now it's just like that. So I think it looks a lot better than where the frick. I don't even know where I put the tip. The old one, the old junky one. Yeah, I'm really glad we did this because it looks a ton better. The only bad thing about it is how it hangs off a little bit, but alright, let's do this. Leave it. I can hear it, I can feel it puffing from here. Alright, so it sounds pretty good. Can't rev it up because neighbors. And this is how we install the tip on the extra, or the, that's going to be the tip. Yeah, it's smaller, and it's really shiny, and we welded that part on. You can probably see that because of the little gap holes here, but we grinded it down. That's probably why they're there. So anyway, this is how it goes on. And that's what those 4 holes are for. See, from that to a bit smaller. Hope it didn't, we haven't started it yet like this, so we don't know how it's gonna sound. Better sound beast. I'm gonna kick myself in the ass. Woohoo! There it is. That's really nice, I think. Alright, Trev. Here we go. First time. For a test drive. Okay, this tip took us an hour and a half. Okay, shut the fuck up. An hour to build. 10 minutes. An hour. 10 minutes and 12 years old. 15 years old. 1 hour. 12 years old. 10 minutes. This is gay. I'm so mad at myself for doing this. This is the yeah. Throw it. Good riddance. See you later. Woo-hoo. Sounds pretty good. I mean, a lot better than before. That raspy noise is from, there's one exhaust leak up by where we attach the pipe to the header that comes with the quad. So we're going to fix that with another washer idea. And that'll probably be done in about, about a week. Next week we'll do that. So, anyway, here he comes. I love how you can see that chrome tip. It looks so nice.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Woo! Holy shit, it's so windy out.